Alright, welcome to my channel guys, and today I posted one video unboxing our iPhone 14 Pro Max. As you can see right here, brand new phone, and I received it today, and I did the unboxing video, but luckily I am going to share something really important and really awesome with all of you guys. So just in time, Ghostek, as we can see right here, we got the Ghostek iPhone 14 Pro Max protection cases right here. We got one, and then we got second one, and third. So we got three cases. These are for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and then we got the limited edition, as we can see right here, Ghostek right there, and it is the limited edition. This is for, luckily, for iPhone 14 Plus, so which I don't have iPhone 14 Plus. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to unbox all these cases, and I'm going to show it to you guys everything about these cases. And now, before we start this video, let me ask you guys, please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video about the Ghostek. Now, this is, I heard really amazing things about these cases, and luckily I got a hand on these cases, and I'm going to review it, and I'm going to show you guys before you guys purchase, and so you guys know what are you guys getting into this, and everything about these cases. So I'm going to move these over to the side, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this one right here. So let's look at the detail about these cases. So as we can see, it's R2X imported technology R2. Now it's comparable with the MagSafe, and also, as you guys can see, drop tested 8 feet, and also raised camera lips right there. And if we look at on the back, we got the MagSafe wireless charging comparable, and then we got the HD clear black, and then it's a diamond grip, and this is the raised camera lip, and then we got the detail cutout, as you guys can see right there, and non-slip grip on the side when you're holding. And also, these cases, the best thing about these Ghostek company is they provide limited lifetime warranty. So this is really awesome. And now let's open this case and let's look in the box what we got. So it's slide out, and we're gonna put this box over here, and we'll move the phone, take out the case. Let's put the case on the side for right now, and we're gonna look in the box what else we got. So this is just the cover, and then we got the thank you for your purchase, and as we can see right there. And now what else we got? This is the their logo. There's a sticker, and I believe if you're using the before you put the case on your phone, you can use this sticker to move the dust. And then we got this card. This one says everything about the social media. They are on the TikTok, Instagram, hashtag Ghostek, and we are giving out prizes to lucky posters, so which I am the one. So hopefully we will win something from that. And this one goes on the side. So this is all the paperwork, and we're gonna put this on the side. And so let's put this case on the phone, and as we can see, iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I mean, I like the light orange, pinkish color, and since the phone is And I mean, as you guys can see right there, it's really awesome, really nice grip, and feel comfortable in the when you're holding in the hand. And as you guys can see, the clear back right here, and then you got the MagSafe charging. And let's test the button. So that's the side power button, and then you got the volume up, volume down button right here, right there. Everything worked perfect. And then we got the silent button right there, really easy to reach. And then in the bottom, as we can see, we got the really nice cutout for the speaker, for the mic, and for the charging port. And this is really nice, really handy, you know, really sturdy case. And if you want a protection, and also you want the you know, show off your phone, this is the case to go for. And also, as we can see right there, if I put it on the side, it cover the camera. So even when you drop like this, it will cover your camera. It will not hit the floor. And also, if you look at on the side, the front, it covers the side, the corners pretty good. So I think it's pretty nice, you know, really nice case. So I highly recommend you guys checking this one out. And now we're gonna take this one out, and we're gonna put this on the side. And next one, we're gonna try this one right here. It's the same thing, but I believe it's different in the color. So we're gonna put this box on the side, and we're gonna take out the case. And I believe it's the same, everything is the same when it comes to the paperwork and everything, as we can see. And you got the one of the stickers, same thing. So we're gonna put this on the side. And as we can see right there, this is like completely clear case and see-through. And also, as we can see right there, you got a really good, you know, cushion in the corners, all four corners. So if you drop it on the, you know, side or the corner, it will absorb the shock. And we're gonna put this in the case, and let's see. So as we can see right there, so this is what it looked like. Really awesome, really nice case. And the best thing about this case, I like the grip. I like the way you hold it, and you know, it's not too hard, it's not too soft, really comfortable, really nice, you know, side rubber. And the best thing is it covers the camera, as we can see right there. If we're holding on like on the side like this, as you can see, you cannot see the camera bump. So it covers pretty good. And yeah, and this one got the MagSafe, you know, charging. And as we can see, you got the shock absorber in each corner, all four corners. So this is nice, really cool. I like this case too, really awesome. And same thing goes with the power buttons, and the volume up and down work perfect. And now we're gonna take this one out, and also, and we're gonna try the next one. And the next one is same thing, as you guys can see, but we're gonna take it out of the box. And all the paperwork and everything is the same in each box, but we're gonna put everything on the side. As we can see, this is like, you know, the side is kind of like a dark, glossy, and the back is clear. So we're gonna put the phone in this case and see what it's gonna look like. And as we can see, this is really awesome, really tight, you know, cover, and goes really snug. The phone snug in and really hold tight. And same thing for the camera lips right there. It covers pretty good, and the cutout in the bottom is look good. And then you got the power button right here, and then you got the volume rocker and the volume up and down. Really nice cases. I really highly recommend this if you guys want the case, want the protection, and also you want the show off your phone. These are the cases to get, and I really highly recommend you guys getting these. And also I want to let you guys know that since I mentioned on the beginning of this video that I do not have the iPhone 14 Plus, so this limited edition is going to be going to one of the winner, my fan who owns iPhone 14 Plus. And this one, let me show you guys something about this phone. And there's the one. So as we can see right there, this piece numbered 91 out of 100. So has been manufactured for iPhone 14 Plus. So all you have to do, also I'm going to put the information in the description below, how to win this phone. And also I'm going to tell you guys, so all you have to do to win this case, if you own an iPhone 14 Plus, that subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification, and also I'm going to put my Twitter in the description. Follow me on Twitter and also on my Instagram. And if you follow on all these social media, and also you have to put the comment, write in a comment done and the green check mark. And also so subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification, and follow me on Twitter, follow me on the Instagram, and also in the comments below just write done and put the green check mark. And exactly 30 days from now I'm gonna do the drawing, and whoever win, that person will be getting this case shipped out, no charge, no nothing, and it's gonna be completely free to whoever win this. And let's see who's the lucky winner of the Ghostek limited edition phone case. And let me show you guys one more time. It is in purple. So if you own a deep purple phone, this case is for that. And I'm really happy to announce this, and just want to say again thanks to Ghostek for sponsoring this video. And I just want to say good luck, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.